My chocolate today is a kidney bean. It says it's an almond praline raindrop, but it's pretty kidney bean shaped. It is very yummy though, so it's okay if it's a kidney bean. I have my coffee for today. It's from Colombia, and it is Pura Vida, and they said it made a good espresso, and it said that it was really good in a latte or a cappuccino, so I made a latte. It's yummy. Coffee is good. I also have my tiny yarn package for the day. Ooh. It's pink. So pink. I love it. Ooh, it has little red speckles in it too. And it's called Do You Play Croquet? Which is very thematic with the pink for the flamingo. This is a good one. I like this one. Thanks for being such a good cookie helper.
Thank you. My hands are all floury.
I'm gonna make you stand here and talk to Vlogmas instead of washing them.
Okay. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna wash them now.
Why did I get that YouTube royalty-free music? You should just do this for me all the time. Thanks for the B-roll, Chad.